Hello and welcome, I'm No442 and this is a bit different from my standard videos. Today I'm going to be reviewing the 3D Create and Print magazine, which is by Eaglemoss Technologies. Initial thoughts? Build quality is actually really good. I thought it would be really lightweight, cheap metal, being a magazine. However, it isn't. It's actually quite sturdy, heavy metal. And the magazine comes in three parts. It's part 1, part 2 and part 3. You get the binder if you subscribe and pay a little bit extra. It is a nice looking binder to go on a shelf, plus it holds them all quite neatly. The magazine has a really clean layout too, and they detail a lot about what you can do with the finished product. But yeah, by the end of this you'll be able to print anything up to 140 by 140 by 135 out of the printer, which would be amazing. I'm actually really looking forward to this. Now here you see the bits that you do get when you subscribe. You see the binder, the toolkit, you get the flash drive, the filaments and free designs, as well as the digital edition, so you can watch it on the go if you want to bring your iPads and you don't want to bring all the books with you. And then here's the magazine. Inside you get to learn how to get started with the SketchUp, which is the program they show you. You get to see Steve, which is the instructor, how to get rid of him. And then you get a foundation course in how to create your first house, if you like. In the second one, you get to learn how to make a box and a couple of other really cool things, and learn a bit more about the program. And then also in the third one, you get to learn how to make the lid to the box, and you learn a bit more about the program. Just loads of things that you actually need in order to create stuff for your 3D printer. So it gets you a footing in the 3D creating world. Good and bad parts. Good parts, strong build quality, good customer support. I was in contact with the people on Twitter. I've asked them a couple of questions and they've always responded really well and been really helpful. And there are some really good tutorials for the software and how to create cool sort of stuff. Bad parts. The binder, I found when I received it, it was a little bit fiddly getting all the different pins into the magazines and then getting them into the places correctly. But yeah, that's about it really. I mean, I could see there was a little bit of damage through transport, but that's can't be helped really. I'm not going to blame them for that. The only other bad part is waiting for the next issue of the magazine. I can't wait to get this. It's really going to be amazing. So now I'm going to move on to assembling the pieces that I've got so far, so stay tuned. Okay, so this has been the first drop from the 3D Create and Print magazine. I absolutely cannot wait for the next drop to come through. So psyched. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Twitter, I'm at Near542, and thanks for watching.